Good morning. Happy week of the school year. Let's get right into our all integer skill review. So as a reminder, when the signs are the same, we add them. When the signs are different, we subtract them. So these are all the same. And this would be 73. Add two more would be 93. Just a regular addition problem. These are opposites. Subtract. 49 minus 38 is 11. Larger number is positive, so the 11 is positive. Plus a negative 52. Again, opposites subtract. 52 minus 11 is 41. Bigger number is negative, so that 41 is negative. Opposites subtract. Make sure the 84 goes on the top and the 58 goes on the bottom so that we're borrowing properly. We end up with 26. Positive because the larger number is positive. Add these together, we end up with 98. Same sign, they're going to grow in their negativity. Same sign, they're going to grow in their negativity. Coming downtown. Same sign, they grow. Opposites subtract. 87 minus 81 is 6. 6 is negative because the larger number is negative. Opposites subtract. Again, bigger number always going on the top. Opposites subtract. Make sure the bigger number went on the top so that you were borrowing. Positive 34. Any questions on this first page? Go ahead and bring it with you to class. Coming down here, first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to actually do this on all of them, is I'm going to come in and I'm going to keep, change. And I'm going to go through all of them because I want to be able to just go in and solve once I'm ready. So I'm going through and I'm doing keep, change, keep, change, keep, change, keep, change. Now I can go in and solve. Same sign, add. Opposite signs subtract. 21 is positive because the larger number is positive. Same signs add. Same signs add. Negative 167. Coming down here, same as add. Same as add. Negative 143. Opposite subtract, bigger number is positive. Opposite subtract, bigger number is positive. Down here, subtract. Same sign, add them. Over here, add. Opposite signs, subtract. Questions on this page, as always, bring it with you to class. For the multiplication, kind of like the keep, change, I can go in and I could do the sign first. Opposites, negative. Opposites, negative. Same. Opposite. Opposite. Same. I can go in and put the sign before I do any of the multiplication. And then I just have to multiply. 18 times 3 is 54. Negative 54 because the signs disagree. 27 times 5 is 135. Negative because the signs disagree. 36 times 2 is 72. Positive because the signs are a match. 148 times 9 is 1,332. Negative because the signs disagree. 459 times 8 is 3,672. Negative because the signs disagree. And then over here, 5,556. Positive because the signs are the same. We have questions, bring them to class. I'm going to do the same exact same thing here. Opposites, opposites, same, opposites, opposites. Whoop. Come on, pen. There we go. Same. Put your signs down because the division answer isn't going to change. Don't overthink it. 3 goes into 99, 33 times. 5 goes into 75, 15 times. 2 goes into 64, 32 times. I intentionally wrote these as a fraction because we need to remember that fractions are division. We can change this into a division sign. 584 divided by 8, 73. 745 divided by 5, 149. 327 divided by 3, 109. Don't overthink it. You know what you're doing. All you have to do is go in and do the division. All right, last two pages. I'm going to do the exact same thing. You're going to notice that it just makes it easier. If the signs are different, I drop a negative sign. If they're the same, I put a positive sign. Then I just have to worry about multiplying. 1,395. Division, 19. Multiplication, 774. Division, 12. Watch your signs. 32,476. 24. Okay, don't overthink it. Hop in and try it. Here, I thought this was fun. We'll see what you thought. We're using these summer objects to try and make true statements. So first thing I need to do is look through them and see what is the answer. And then I need to go back and look at the sign. So I know that 9 times 9 is 81. That's the only number that can be the same to give us 81. So I bring this 9 down here. 9 times 7 is 63. Now I need these to have the same sign. So I have a couple of choices. I could choose to make the 9 negative because -9 times -9, positive. I can make it here and go ahead and use that sign. Or I can make the 7 negative. So you could make one of these negative. So it's either -9 or -7, but they can't be both. Either would be acceptable, okay? So it's either -9 and 7 or 9 and -7. Either pair is perfect. Over here, I'm thinking, what times what is 16? I'm going to start with the duplicate. So 4 times 4 is 16. I come up here, 4 times 8 is 32. Same thing. It's going to be an 8 and a 4. I could say -8 or -4. One of them has to be negative, the other has to be positive. Coming down here. 49 divided by what stays the same? So we're still looking for that repeat pattern. 7 times 7 is 49. So that means that 49 divided by 7 is 7. Come over here. 7 times 3 is 21. Same exact thing. Either the 7 is negative or the 3 is negative. Your choice. Coming down here. 10 times 10 is 100. Finding that double fact. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 10 and 2. Your choice. One of them has to be negative. So either the 10 is negative or the 2 is negative. Does not matter which. 3 times 3 is 9. So that's what I'm going to choose. And then what divided by 3 is 11? It's 33. Your choice. One of these is negative. One of these is negative. Okay. And then over here, 25 times 25 is 625. So I'm going to use that. 25 divided by 5 is -5. Because this is -5, this has to be negative. It is the only correct answer because, well, I guess you can make them both. We could say this would be negative. Rewind. 25 and 5, one of them has to be negative. Your choice. If you have questions, as always, go ahead and bring them to class.